Kuya Aldrin, say, man-sponsor kaibat saya na puro no si karon sa chairman ng Committee on Public Infrastructure, si Councilor Joel Meneses. Sa background there to saya, may several weeks ago, aray residents siya Kalua expressed their apprehension. Expressed their apprehension that sa may meeting niya in call na sa Kuya representative ng Department of Public Works and Highways. That sa mga meeting, tinawag na may residents at Paluatan Bantayan. At po may agawag at sa mga meeting, yan yung maganda at si Councilor Alvin Soriano. By the first and second quarter of next year, idiretso ka may bypass road at sarara may lote, kung papaway, pambibilang ka, there will be 73 houses na demolish na natalantan ng bypass road. Sa ipanagsalita po may manggagawa at magsasalita, singan mo ang gapulay form of appeal, lapurta, dire-diretso lamang agawa, design. Sa gawon na dapat at i-process na claims na tapian mo na bayaran nila aman may tatawagan na expropriation proceedings. Dagdakal so aburido, dagdakal so man luwa-luwa, labog kasara na may arubiya abong dimandat ang kakabalag abong, wala ramot so alulong. Ang gapoy ang tatanggawan, katon ng ano tanda, kung pero tulong at sangguniang bayan by way of expressing our intention to seek for a reconsideration of the plan of the DPWH at sa may bypass road na gagawin tayo. Balbalag so nagawaan na sangguniang bayan at sa ipat suporta da, tapian ang lamiga at narangal tayo na DPWH insan may design that would affect 73 houses at sa palwalabatan ang gapuni may utalan at salay palmatayan. Ang lamiga, by way of this resolution, we could call out the DPWH for a dialogue and maybe tell everyone, make everyone aware that there is a need to save these 73 houses, which would mean 73 more families, and there are 102 signatures of this petition. With this, may I seek help, support from you colleagues, Tapiano na ipasaya ng resolution. Salamat.